Hello everybody, I'm Michael.
I'm Skylar.
And so today we're going to teach you some of the basics to some country swing dance moves that we like to do out at Playmore and Bushwhackers here in the Lincoln and Omaha areas. So the first thing we're going to talk to you today about is safety. So number one, if you're doing some advanced moves, just be cautious of the people around you. If it's a crowded dance floor, you probably shouldn't do them just so no one's getting hurt, that sort of deal, because it's a liability to everybody and it kind of just kills the mood when someone gets hurt. And then another thing I want to talk about is you can always tell someone no. You can always tell someone no to dance. You don't have to. It's meant to be fun. And if you don't feel like it's going to be fun, you can always say no. I can handle it. I'm a big boy. But yeah, those are just some of the big things I wanted to get out of the way first. So first off, what we're going to teach you today is the basic spins. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to take your partner, and then you're going to take your right foot and then step to the outside, so to your partner's left, and then left foot to the right. So now for the basic spin, you're going to take your left hand, guys, and lead your partner and spin her around counterclockwise, just like that. And then you can spin her right back out. Now, the next move out of that is the bunny hop. So we'll start off with that basic spin. And then for that, guys, your left hand comes on your right thigh, and that's a signal, so you're going to spin in. And then your left hand comes across his shoulders. And then what's gonna happen is with your shins, you're actually gonna jump up on his thigh and then jump off. So 3, 2, and 1. Just like that. Boom. All right. Now for the slide / spin the cat, or skin the cat. It's a little warm. So for that one, what's going to happen is your arms are going to come above your head and you're going to slide like 180 degrees just like that. You can spin her around your back. Then from there, what we can do is what is known as tabletop. So for that, you start off with that slide, and then you're going to interlock left hands. So you're going to spin her around. Then you're going to bring her right arm over your head. Then your left arm does a chicken wing, so you can duck under her left hand. Now, your left hand's gonna go above her head, her right arm does a chicken wing, and she just ducks under your right arm, just like that. And then to get out of it, you will lock her arms behind your back, and that signals chest fall. And then, boom, just like that. All right, so for the next move, we are actually going to do is pretzel. So for that one, guys, that one, your left hand's actually going to go behind your back, and she's going to grab it with her right. So then your right arm goes above your head, then your left goes above hers. Then you're going to bring her right over your head, and then you're going to bring her left over hers. So then you're kind of like in that basic spin position again. So now you're just going to do the reverse of it. So you're going to bring your right arm over her head, then you're going to bring your left over yours. So then you're back to back like Law and Order on USA every weekend. And then you're going to bring her left over her head, then bring her left over yours. Then you're going to let go of her left hand so you can spin her around, just like that.
Good one.
All right, now we're going to do some dips. So for this one, this is called the basic dip. So you start off with that basic spin. So you just spin her in, and then you just dip her back, just like that. Now another one that looks a little more advanced, but it's not too advanced, is what I like to call the surprise dip. So for that one, what's going to happen is your arms are going to go wide and your right hand's going to go behind her shoulder. So you just dip her back just like that.
They like that one.
A lot of people do.
Yeah, I do.
So we're going to teach you how to do some flips now. And so for this, number one, watch for people around you because people can get injured with these. So for that, you're going to spin her into that basic spin, and then you're going to spin her out, and as she keeps spinning, she will spin back in. So your left hand goes behind her left thigh, and then, so girls, you're going to have both your hands on his forearm right here, and then, so on the count of 3, I'll flip you over my shoulder. So 3, 2, and 1.
Let's do that again.
All right.
Oh, gosh. I keep making those noises.
But Thanks for tuning in to our swing dance lesson. We hope to bring you some more moves later down the road. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe or follow. Well, are you on Instagram?
No.
Well, I am, so you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.